Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today I'll show you how to easily fit a stainless steel watch strap to your Apple Watch. What we'll do first is remove the existing Apple Watch strap, then I'll show you how to fit the stainless steel watch strap and then adjust it to your particular wrist size. If you turn your Apple Watch over, you've got this small button at the bottom and the top of the watch. If you push that down, you can just slide the strap across. And I'll just show you that in a bit more detail here. You've got this tiny little release button here on either end. So you're pushing that in gently with your nail. And then as you push it in, slide the watch strap away. And you'll see there where it locks into the button there. And that just helps lock it into place. And that is where the small button on the top of the Apple Watch straps just clicks into position, and that holds the watch strap in place. Right, we are now ready to install and adjust the Apple stainless steel watch strap. We've already removed the existing watch strap here. This is the new one that we're going to be installing and adjusting. You should have been sent this link removal tool. If not, you may be able to use a drawing pin. And you'll also need some pliers and maybe some nail clips if you haven't got any pliers. If you happen to have giant wrists, it may just fit straight away. To install the stainless steel watch strap, just slide it onto the watch and then it just clips into place with that button. It can't go anywhere. Then to release the clasp, just push the buttons either side. Put it on your wrist and then close the clasp and clip it into place. And as you can see, this watch strap is absolutely ginormous, which obviously it would be. So what we need to do is take out some links so it fits properly. Slide the strap back off by pushing the buttons underneath the watch and then gently sliding the strap off. Now we're ready to remove some links. And Daisy is completely not interested in what is going on.
Yes, I am. Woof woof.
If we just turn this stainless steel watch strap upside down, you'll see here you've got arrows on either side. This is the only place where you can remove the links, where these arrows are, and you must push the pins out in the direction of the arrows. And then when you reinstall the pins, you need to put those back in the way they came out. So take your link removal tool, put the watch strap in there, and then line that screw up with the pin. And then once it's lined up, then screw that clockwise. And that pushes the pin out. And you can see there on the left hand side, the pin is now coming out. Now you may need some pliers to remove this fully, but I found it's pretty easy just to pull it out with your fingers. With this watch strap, I'm going to be removing 2 links from one side and maybe 2 links or 3 links from the other side. So pull that pin out, don't turn it around, put it down exactly as you pulled it out so that when we put it back, it goes in the correct way. And that's the watch strap links apart. So now I'm going to remove 2 links from this side of the watch strap. So where those arrows are again, you're pushing the pin out, so line this one up with the pin there, and then you're screwing it clockwise, and then you'll see the pin being pushed out on the left hand side. Here it comes. Once it's pushed out, then you can unscrew that screw. Remove the watch strap from the removal tool and then just pull that pin out with your fingers. Gently place the pin down on the table, and that is 2 links removed. Now we need to put that watch strap back on. So line it up with the links, make sure every single link is lined up and you don't miss one out. This is easier if you're not filming. You can lay it down on the table, pick up one of your pins, and this is pushed in towards the arrow this time. With all those links lined up, just gently push it through. You won't be able to push it all the way in with your fingers, so this is where the pliers or the nail clippers come in handy. just something hard. So you're pushing the pliers against that pin and it should just pop in to the link. Just give it one more push. Fabulous. So that side of the watch strap is now done. So I've removed 2 links from that side. You can see there's 2 arrows facing upwards. On the left hand side we've got the 4 arrows still. And I'm going to remove 2 links from this side of the watch strap, possibly 3 links depending on how tight we want it. Again, you must push the pin out where it's got the arrow, so you're pushing the pin out in the direction of the arrow. So the pin is now coming out of the right hand side. Just unscrew that. Gently pull that pin out with your thumb and finger. Place that down on the table. So that is that side of the watch strap now split. Now we're going to remove 2 links from this side. So again, line up the pin, screw it clockwise. It pops out on the right hand side. Unscrew it, then pull that out with your fingers. Place that down on the table. It's worth keeping all the pins and the links in case you ever sell the watch or your wrist gets bigger and you need to put them back in, so don't lose them. Now what I'm actually going to do now is remove 1 more link. So I'm actually going to remove 3 from this side. So I've already pushed that one out. So that's another link removed. So I've actually removed 3 from this side. Now we're going to put this watch strap back together. So line those links up in the middle. Make sure every single one is lined up with the holes. Take your pin. Make sure that goes in exactly the same way. Pushing it in to the right hand side of the watch. Then take something hard, your nail clippers or the end of the pliers, and just push that gently home. So it pushes in all the way. Fabulous. In the original watch strap we had 4 arrows on either side. Now I've got 2 arrows on this side and 1 on this side. So I've removed 5 links altogether. Now let's reinstall it. Gently line it up with the back of the watch. And then it slides in nice and easily. This is very simple, don't force it, make sure it's nice and parallel. Slide it in. As soon as it gets to the middle you should hear that button click in and that locks it into place so it cannot go anywhere. Then the other side, slide that in. Then push it all the way home. It clicks into place. Fabulous. Great stuff. And now it's time to try it on. This watch isn't actually for me, so I don't think it's going to fit my sausage fingers and hands, but let's give it a go. No, that is definitely not going to fit me. So let's get the real recipient into the room. No, not Daisy. We'll get the real recipient into the room and get her to try it on. Undo the clasp, slide it on, lock it in, and that is a perfect fit. Absolutely fantastic. And now what's the time? It's time for a brew. In the top right, how to permanently disable live photos on your iPhone. In the top left, how to transfer voice memos from your iPhone to your PC or laptop. And in the bottom left there's a playlist of lots of useful videos on WhatsApp on your iPhone. Little Hand says it's time to rock and roll.